When most of us think of elephants, we picture them as massive and powerful giants. But here's the twist. The most astonishing things about elephants aren't the things we see. Their real brilliance is hidden beneath the surface. So what exactly are we overlooking? In this video, we dive deep into the secret world of elephants. An elephant's trunk isn't just a long nose, not even close. Get this, it contains around 40,000 muscles. For comparison, we humans barely have a bit over 600 in our entire bodies. All those muscles turn the trunk into a true multi-tool. It's powerful enough to uproot trees, yet delicate enough to pick up a single blade of grass. It can smell water from miles away, work like a straw that slurps up nearly 2 gallons at once, and still give the gentlest hug. However, this is only a fraction of their sensory superpowers. They pick up deep, low-frequency rumbles through the ground, allowing them to hear messages from other elephants miles away. It's like a long-distance WhatsApp group chat, completely silent to us. Now let's talk about the mind running this incredible animal. You've heard the phrase, "an elephant never forgets." Turns out, that's not just a myth. Their memory works like a living library passed down through generations. This is especially true about a matriarch elephant. She remembers where water can be found during droughts. She knows the safest routes. Her memory literally keeps the family alive. However, their intelligence is more than just their ability to remember. Elephants can track the positions of more than a dozen relatives. They can identify different groups of people just by their clothing and scent. In some tests of social smarts, they rival humans. They're among the very few animals that can recognize themselves in a mirror. They comfort others when they're upset. They work together to help sick or injured members, and they can show signs of trauma after frightening experiences. Surprisingly, their emotional world is close to ours. Therefore, elephants aren't just majestic. They're intelligent, emotional, socially complex beings with memories that span lifetimes. So the real question now remains, it's whether we will choose to make space for them in the world we share.